Nelson Sprinkler 6000R Instructions. The Nelson 6000 rotor sprinkler is installed underground amongst other sprinklers and pop up to water the lawn when activated. Each sprinkler is strategically placed in the ground and adjusted so that all parts of the lawn are watered equally. An adjustment control is beneath each spray head cap, which is partially removed with a supplied tool that's also used to make the needed adjustments. After the sprinkler is installed, you can configure the sprinklers to suit the shape of your lawn perfectly. Grasp the top of the 6000 sprinkler stem with your fingers and pull up to expose the nozzle socket. Wrap the supply clamp around the base of the stem where it meets the underground housing to hold the stem in place. Slip the supplied wrench over the 6000 spray head and pop the head off like a bottle cap. Insert the wrench into the nozzle retaining screw inside the stem, and unscrew it. Insert the desired nozzle into the nozzle socket. Different nozzles produce different precipitation rates. Turn the nozzle retaining screw clockwise to lock the new nozzle in place. Place the supplied 6000 click set disc on top of the arc collar inside the stem with its black side facing up, and push until it clicks. The click set disc overrides the arc collar so the sprinkler rotates in a continuous circle when the system is active. Remove the click set disc from the top of the arc collar to set boundary points for the 6000 sprinkler rotation. Twist the stem until the nozzle is centered on the desired watering area and insert the click set disc back into place with the gray side facing up. Adjust the arc collars of each sprinkler head so they align correctly with the boundaries of their respective watering areas. Remove the click set disc from the 6000 if the memory ring isn't settled into it correctly. The memory ring keeps the settings in place during normal operation and can be viewed from the top of the click set disc. Twist the ring back into place and replace the click set disc. Turn the water on to confirm your settings. Insert the wrench into the nozzle retaining screw and clamp it tighter by turning it clockwise if you want to reduce the water projection range. The screw must down far enough to clear the spray head. Snap the spray head cap back on top of the stem, insert the wrench into the screw in the dimple of the cap and turn it clockwise to tighten the cap.